In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Kajabi MCP with Claude. Connecting Claude to Kajabi is usually done through Kajabi's MCP connector, which stands for Model Context Protocol. This setup allows Claude to work more like a co-pilot inside your Kajabi workflow, so you can do things like build courses, draft email sequences, and create landing page content from simple prompts. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to connect the two platforms so you can start using that functionality. To begin, open your browser and go to Claude. If you're not already signed in, click the Sign In option and log into your account. Once you're inside Claude, look for the Customize area. This is where Claude lets you adjust settings and manage extra tools, including connectors. After you open Customize, click on Connectors. This section is where you can link Claude to outside services. Since Kajabi may not already appear as a built-in option in your list, the next thing you'll do is click Add Custom Connector. That opens the form where you can manually define the connection. In the connector name field, type Kajabi. Giving it a clear name helps you recognize it later, especially if you eventually add more than one connector. Then move to the URL field and enter the Kajabi MCP URL. The typical URL used here is https://mcp.kajabi.com/mcp. Be careful when entering this address, because even a small typo can prevent the connector from working correctly. Once both fields are filled in, click Add. At this point, Claude should save the custom Kajabi connector and return you to the connectors page. You should now see Kajabi listed as an available connector. From there, click Connect to begin the authorization process between Claude and Kajabi. When you click Connect, you'll be redirected to Kajabi's authorization screen. This is the permission step that allows Claude to interact with your Kajabi account. On that page, review the access request and authorize access to continue. After that, click Approve. This confirms that you want Claude to be able to use the Kajabi connector with the permissions requested. Once approval is complete, the connection should be active. From there, you can move into a new Claude chat and start using the integration. In a new conversation, open the Tools or Attachment menu, enable the Kajabi connector, and then begin prompting Claude with the task you want help with. For example, you might ask it to draft a course outline, help write an email sequence, or create copy for a landing page inside your Kajabi workflow. A helpful tip here is to be specific with your prompts. The more context you give Claude about your product, audience, and goals, the better the results will usually be. Also, if the connector doesn't appear right away in a new chat, refresh the page or reopen the Tools menu and check that Kajabi is enabled. Another good practice is to verify that you're authorizing the correct Kajabi account if you manage more than one site. That can save you confusion later when Claude starts interacting with your content. And if you run into issues during setup, the most common cause is usually an incorrect connector URL or an interrupted authorization step. So those are the first places to check. That's all it takes to set up Kajabi MCP with Claude. Once connected, you'll be able to streamline a lot of your content creation and back-end work directly through Claude, while staying connected to your Kajabi environment.